Now that we are in the 7th month of the pandemic, how are we affected by it? There are many factors that are affected during this pandemic. According to the Department of Health website, more than 200,000 people have confirmed for the coronavirus. This number is very big compared to when it first started. It is more dangerous to go outside now than it was back then. Out of these 200 people that
Thousand.
were infected, most of them come from Metro Manila and the megacities. There are many kinds of people that are affected by this pandemic. Infections range from the young all the way to the old. Demography is one of the main topics during this pandemic. The affected people in this pandemic is a very diverse set of people. We should be more concerned about this topic ever since it has become a global pandemic. People have ignored this in the past and it did not go well for us. We should continue to be more educated and disciplined in facing this pandemic. Age of infected people has a wide range from young to the old. Studies show that men are more likely to get infected than women. People that were infected from ages 20 to 24, 34,000 of them are men and 29,000 are women. We should be concerned not only because of this statistic, but how it will affect us in the future. Men may be more vulnerable, but it has many factors. Men may go outside more, women may go outside less. We don't know. The total number of cases in this pandemic in the Philippines is 241,987 people according to the Department of Health website. These people mostly come from NCR and the megacities. This is where most businesses are located. Because of the number of cases, most businesses can't operate. There are many types of people affected by the virus. We should study how it affects us in many ways. We should be more educated about it. We should be more concerned and more disciplined in facing this pandemic. Back then, we were asking the government to change the community quarantine from ECQ to GCQ. Because of this, the number of cases shot up. We should have learned our lesson. Other countries like Vietnam, Australia, and New Zealand have already opened up and continue to operate because of the low number of cases. There are many types of people affected by this pandemic. We should inform others about the demography of this pandemic. Information is the key to understanding. We should use our knowledge about this virus in order to stop this pandemic. We should continue to educate and discipline ourselves, including others, in order to stop this problem.